Tax season is about to start, and if your entire tax plan right now is waiting for your documents, you're already behind. Let me say that again. If your plan is to wait for W-2s, 1099s, or emails from your accountant, you're not planning, you're reacting. See, most people think tax season starts when paperwork shows up. That's not when tax season starts. That's when tax season ends. And today, I want to show you the exact order smart business owners follow so tax season feels calm, predictable, and intentional instead of stressful and reactive. My name is Henok. I'm a CPA, a tax strategist, and founder of HK Financial Advisory. I work primarily with business owners, consultants, and high earners who make good money but feel like taxes are always a surprise. See, every year I hear the same thing. I didn't expect this. I thought my CPA would handle this. I wish I knew earlier. And that's exactly why this video matters. See, I'm recording this from Jamaica. Not to flex, not to sell any lifestyle, but to make a very real point. Tax season does not have to feel chaotic. It doesn't. If it does, it's rarely because the tax code is too complicated. It's almost always because the process started too late and in the wrong order. And see, I see this mistake every single year with smart, successful people. Here's the order most people follow. They wait for tax filing to officially open. They wait for documents to arrive. They wait for an email asking them to upload something. And while they're waiting, they're hoping they didn't mess anything up, hoping they didn't owe too much, hoping their CPA can work some magic. Then they're scrambling. The scrambling starts. Documents get uploaded, emails back and forth, questions come up late, and eventually one question gets asked. How much do I owe? That's it. No discussion about structure, no conversation about timing, no strategy, just damage assessment. And here's why that order almost always fails. Because by the time you're asking how much you owe, most of the decisions that actually reduce taxes are already locked in. So your income already happened. Your expenses already happened. Your entity structure was already chosen or ignored. And at that point, even the best tax preparer is limited in what they can do. Not because they're bad at their job, but because tax prep can only report history. It cannot redesign decisions that already happened. So now, let me show you the order smart clients actually follow. Step 1 is clarity. Clarity means understanding. How you earn money, where it comes from, how it moves through your accounts. No guesses, not estimates, actual clarity. See, this step alone eliminates more stress than most people realize, because when you have clarity, you stop guessing and start making decisions. Step 2 is strategy. This is where tax planning lives, guys. This is where we ask, are you structured correctly? Are you paying yourself efficiently? Are there legitimate strategies you should be using this year? Are there things you should stop doing? This is not about loopholes. It's not about shortcuts. It's about intention. This is where outcomes are designed before numbers are finalized. Step 3 is execution. Strategy only works if it's implemented properly and correctly. So that means documentation, timing, payroll alignment, making sure everything's defensible. Because a good idea that's poorly executed creates risk, not savings. And only after all of that do we get to tax prep. Tax prep matters. We do tax prep. But tax prep is the final step, guys. Tax prep files the past. Tax planning shapes the future. When prep is done last, it becomes confirmation, not damage control. And a lot of people think that tax planning replaces tax prep. It does not. They work together, hand in hand, but only in the right order. Planning without prep is incomplete. Prep without planning is limiting. And this is why tax season doesn't run my life. Not because I ignore it, but because the system is already built. See, my clients aren't scrambling. They're not surprised. They're not panicking in February because we started correctly with proper tax planning to get ready for tax prep. So if you're a business owner, a consultant, or a high earner who feels like every tax season is reactive, you don't need more stress. You need the right order. So if you're looking for tax prep, we offer that. Clean, compliant tax preparation. But if you want fewer surprises, more control, and a proactive approach to taxes, that starts with a strategy conversation. The link below explains how we work. Tax season is about to start. Make sure you're starting the smart way. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more. And share it with another business owner or anyone you care about. See you on the other side or in Jamaica.